Welcome back. Hello friends. In this video we will discuss about PENGUE token and its future price prediction. Currently, PENGUE token is trading at approximately $0.01078 with a 24-hour trading volume of around $83 million. Looking ahead, various forecasts suggest potential growth for PENGUE token. Short-term predictions estimate the price could range between $0.0075 and $0.0110 depending on market conditions and project developments. Mid-term projections suggest that the price might reach up to $0.1379 by 2025, reflecting the project's expanding utility and market integration. Long-term projections indicate potential growth up to 43 cents by 2030, assuming sustained development and market acceptance. Considering PENGUE token's recent developments and market performance, it presents both opportunities and risks. The token has shown significant growth, increasing by 250% since April 9, 2025. However, as with many cryptocurrencies, price fluctuations can be significant. Investors should weigh these factors and consider their risk tolerance when evaluating PENGUE token as a long-term investment. PENGUE token stands out as a project with a unique vision, aiming to revolutionize how blockchain interacts with the physical world. Its recent progress and market performance suggest potential for growth, but as always, it's essential to conduct thorough research and consider market dynamics. What are your thoughts on PENGUE token? Are you bullish on its future? Share your opinions in the comments below. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto insights. Thanks for watching.